What's up, Learn Machines? I make over $5,000 per day on average with CPA marketing, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that too with this specific method. If you want more methods, go check out more videos on the channel after watching this video, and let's get right into this video. Let's go! This method is going to be about CPA grip and ClickFunnels and Traffic Junkie and ExoClick. Now, those two traffic sources, Traffic Junkie and ExoClick, are adult marketing traffic sources, and guys, it's the cheapest traffic in the world. There's just tons of traffic there. It's literally like endless traffic. It's not strict at all. So it's like the best traffic source in the world. CPA grip, here we go. If you wanted to run United States offers, here's some United States offers right here I'm going to talk about. But you could run for other countries as well. And by the way, they're even more cheap for adult marketing when you run with other countries. Okay, let's say you want to run with Egypt. Egypt has a bunch of offers available here. The traffic source in adult marketing is going to be basically nothing. It's going to cost basically nothing for you to get that traffic and send traffic to these offers. And you can direct link with adult marketing traffic, guys. It's like, it doesn't even make sense how big of an opportunity it is. It's crazy big of an opportunity, adult marketing. So the traffic just is getting better and better, and the competition's less and less, because people don't know what they're doing. And I'm telling you right now, the money is just there waiting for you. And I mean it. I mean, it's just there because people don't know what they're doing. Okay. And you don't have to overthink it either. You can keep it super simple. If you wanted to run with Finland traffic, okay, then you have a bunch of offers available for you just with this network alone. Think about all the other networks like Max Bounty and Crack Revenue and all these other, and Click Dealer and all these other networks you can run with. So regarding this method, let's talk about ClickFunnels now. Okay guys, so here is ClickFunnels, and I'm going to show you how to make an opt-in page for ClickFunnels super quickly. This is like a blank slate template right here you can do. I'm just going to show you how to do it. You put together a headline, and then you're going to say, okay, win a free PayPal gift card or something, okay? Then you can put an image, and then this is just a bare bones type thing, okay? Then you want to have an input box where people can put their email address, and if you choose to, you can also have people put their name, and then you just click that, input type full name, and then you say your name here, and you just say required, boom. This one as well, you can just say email address is what it's meant for, required, boom. Then you're set there. You're gonna move that one there. Win free money here today now, please. Okay, and then down here you just gotta have a button. Okay, when people click this button, we're going to make the action be it submits the form, okay, and then you get emails. But over here in this area, you have to integrate with your Aweber or whatever email collection software you have, and then you're set. Okay, right after people opt in, you're going to have them instantly redirect in the next page to an offer you have. Okay, and it could be any one of these offers here. Let's say you're doing the Finland traffic. Okay, this works, guys, and it just blows my mind that people don't do this every day. Okay, because the opportunity is here every single day. There are tons of freaking opportunities for you to make money, and it's just mind-blowing. You're going to put together, if you choose to, an opt-in page where you can collect email addresses and follow up with them forever. Okay, the money's in the list. The money is always there in the list, and it never stops. And you can grow your list forever, and every single email address you get is worth like a lot of money, guys, because it really adds up. Okay, even if it was worth 1 cent per month per email, that can really add up the more emails you get. But ultimately, on average, it's like $1 per month per email that you get if you do your email marketing correctly. And when you couple that with the power of adult traffic, it's game over. Okay, guys, here's Traffic Junkie. Now, I didn't want to blur out everything of my other accounts, so this is a test account. Not even a test account. This is just for showing you Learning Machines how to do this. So, Traffic Junkie, biggest traffic source in the world. There is literally tons of flipping traffic here. And guys, when building a campaign, it is super duper straightforward. Okay, it's not meant to be overcomplicated, but basically you just use common sense and fill it out. So you put right here just anything, whatever helps you stay organized. Just put what your campaign name is. Just say what it is. Okay, the country, the offer you're promoting, everything. And then if you're doing something that's a cost per sale offer, which most likely with this method you wouldn't be doing, but if you were, you do desktop. If you're scaling things, do desktop and mobile. But mobile traffic's good for lead generation offers such as all these offers here. Okay, let's look at some other, like India. Boom! India offers. You could choose a good dimension. 300 by 250 is the most common, but if you want to think outside the box and do a different ad dimension, do this one, okay? But I always start with this one for testing, okay? Because it's most common and there's a lot of different areas for this ad to show up on, different placement areas. Most offers you're going to do is straight traffic. You can do male or female. If it's an offer that can be both male and female, then good, okay? It's most likely going to be a sweepstake offer if it's both male or female, okay? Or it could be any other offer out there that would apply. Then you just target your exact country. You can't do multiple countries. You just have to make a separate campaign for multiple countries. The position you want it to be, above the fold, below the fold, all this different stuff, you could just say all for now. And then it'll show you inside your analytics and inside your campaign data which area is performing the best. But most time above the fold gets the most clicks because it's the most seen. But it all comes down to your ad at the end of the day. And so when making ads, I recommend look at what's working for people and model after it. And that's what the next section here is just like uploading your ads, okay? And then just linking to your link. And then right here, you just set your budget and then you just basically click approve, okay? And then you're all set. And that's how you do Traffic Junkie. Now, XOClick is very, very similar. XOClick's for the website Xvideos and many, many other sites too. XOClick is super freaking cheap, guys. I mean, there's literally so much traffic here. It's actually cheaper than Traffic Junkie, by the way. Traffic Junkie costs a little bit more, but in comparison to Facebook and YouTube and all these other sites that are strict, also, nothing compares, okay, with adult marketing because it's just so cheap. You can literally get endless traffic. XOClick is a very, very good option. They also have pop under traffic, and with this method overall, you could crush it with it, guys. If I was promoting any one of these offers, usually I'm just going to direct link if I'm doing adult traffic. But if I'm doing any mainstream traffic like YouTube ads, Facebook ads, by the way, I don't even run any more Facebook ads, by the way, because how I discovered adult marketing was Facebook was so strict. I got my whole ad account banned. This was years ago with Facebook ads. And I'm like, what other options are out there? Because this sucks. I mean, I freaking am going to get banned every time I'm running something and it's like totally ethical and good to run. And then I get banned just because they're just like that. They're weird. Okay. And then I'm like, what are not strict platforms for running ads? And I discovered adult marketing. I'm like, okay, let's give this a shot. It took me a while to test it, figured it out, and learned from different mentors. And boom, I was all set. And it's all been uphill from there. Obviously, you lose money here and there, guys, but that's just in the testing phase. After that, when you actually know what you're doing, you're all uphill from there. It's all about finding good offers. So this offer right off the bat, I could tell is good. I made a lot of money with these iPhone offers, guys. Winning iPhones, everyone wants to win an iPhone. Any tech related thing is great. Anything related with gift cards is great. And anything related with surveys where they earn money is great. And just any type of giveaway ultimately is good unless it's like too niche. Most times people don't do it. There's money everywhere. If I were to run this, clean my computer now, I would run this offer with pop under traffic desktop if I wanted to run this offer, because this offer right here, it's kind of like someone's just browsing around and then it's like, oh, you need to clean up your computer now. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's a pop-up redirect. It's so cheap too. Like pop under traffic is like 0 cents per person who lands on your website. Facebook and YouTube, it's over $1 per click. But with pop under traffic, it's like less than 0 cents. It's less than 1 cent per click. It's nothing. And so you can get people converting on this offer like crazy, and it's a trustworthy looking offer. All right. And it's a top offer here for United States. So give it a shot. Give this a test. Throw 50 bucks at it. This offer could work for you right here, just right off the bat. Now, like I said, if you want to go long-term though, you'd leverage ClickFunnels and make a whole opt-in page here. And that's where the big money is at. Literally, adult traffic's basically free traffic. So this is like a free traffic method overall for you. You could just direct link to offers that are just, you could see right here, top performing offers for any country, and you can run it. You can make money with CPA Grip. You can make money with Max Bounty. You can make money with Crack Revenue. And it just works because there are top offers out there that just convert, and all you need to do is send traffic and boom, you're set. Thank you for watching this video, Learn Machines. Go check out more videos on the channel, and peace out, Learning Machines. Peace.